Level 1, the runner. No record, no attention. They pick you because no one looks twice. You carry a backpack through a crowded street in Culiacan. Inside, not books. Small packages wrapped tight. You don't ask questions. You're told not to. Drop Point is a corner store. You buy a soda. Leave the bag in the bathroom. 500 pesos in your pocket. Cash, no names. Level 2, the lookout. Now they trust you to see. Not carry, not touch, just watch. You sit outside a mechanic shop. Phone in hand, pretending to scroll. But your eyes track everything. Black SUV passes twice. You send a message, one word. You learn codes. You learn silence. Mistakes cost more now. A boy misses a signal one night. Next day he's gone. No one says it. But you understand. Level 3, the messenger. You're inside now. Not just streets, rooms, conversations. You deliver messages between people who don't trust phones. A folded note, a whispered sentence. You walk into houses with armed men at the door. They look at you differently, not harmless anymore. You hear names, routes, numbers, millions moving like shadows. You're paid more, enough to help your family. Your mother doesn't ask questions, but she notices the cash and the way you don't sleep. Level 4, the transporter. Now you carry real weight, not a backpack. Hidden compartments, seats modified, panels cut. You drive across state lines. Heart steady, face calm. Checkpoint ahead. Soldiers wave cars through. Random checks. You feel sweat on your back. They glance inside. A second too long. Then wave you on. You don't breathe until miles later. Payment triples, but so does the risk. Level 5, the recruiter. You're no longer just following orders. You bring people in. Girls like you. Young, invisible, desperate. You tell them it's easy. Because it was. You choose carefully. Too weak, they break. Too loud, they talk. You become the filter. Now their mistakes are your responsibility. One girl gets caught. Not much, but enough. You're called in. Soft voice, cold eyes. Don't let it happen again. Level 6, the operator. You handle logistics now. Routes, timing, safe houses. Maps spread across a table. Phones ringing nonstop. You coordinate shipments worth more than you've ever seen. You don't touch it, but you control where it goes. Power feels different, more dangerous. You start carrying a weapon. Not for show, for when things go wrong. Level 7, the enforcer. Something goes wrong. It always does. A driver disappears. A shipment lost. You're sent to fix it. Not with words. You arrive at a small house. Two people inside, tied, waiting. They look at you. They didn't expect you. You hesitate, just for a second. Then you remember the warning. After that, things change. You stop seeing yourself the same way. Level 8, the trusted one. You sit in meetings now. Decisions made in quiet rooms. Names of rivals. Territories, moves. They trust you, or they need you. Same thing here. Money flows constantly. You move your family. Better house, better life. But distance grows. You don't visit often. Too dangerous. Too many eyes. Level 9, the target. Your name spreads. Not publicly, but enough. Rivals know you exist. So do authorities. You notice cars following longer than they should. Strangers watching too closely. You change routes, phones, patterns. Sleep becomes rare. Paranoia becomes normal. One night, a message arrives. Not from your side. You're next. Level 10, the collapse. Everything moves fast now. A raid hits one of your locations. People taken. Names exposed. Your phone doesn't stop ringing. Orders, panic, chaos. You try to fix it, but it's slipping. For the first time, you're not in control. Level 11, the choice. You're given options, or stay loyal. Running means abandoning everything. Family, money, identity. Staying means risk. You pack a bag anyway, just in case. Level 12, the ending. You wake up to silence. No messages. That's not normal. You step outside. A car is parked across the street. Engine running. Windows tinted. You freeze. This is how it ends for most. No warning. No goodbye. Just a moment where everything catches up. And the life you built disappears.